Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today, guys, I have shared with you more fantastic and elegant videos for different gorgeous plants and living room plants designs ideas and different living species living ideas. More fabulous videos, fabulous home decor designs and different gorgeous videos. Cozy and comfortable. Create a cozy ambience by incorporating warm color, blush textures and comfortable sitting options. Add a large inviting sofa with soft cushion and complement it with a couple of armchair and a cozy rugs. Enhance the comfortable with soft throws and decorative pillows that add pops of color. Modern elegance. Achieve a sleek of sophisticated look by embracing modern elements. Opt for clean lines, minimalistic furnitures and natural tops. Consider adding a statement pieces like a contemporary coffee table or a unique lighting fixtures to create a focal point in the room. Do not forget to accessorize with art pieces or sculptures that reflect your personal styles. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications. For more elegance and more gorgeous videos, you look so stunning and perfectly videos for decorations videos and different patterns like birthday videos, birthday designs and living room, like different pattern were uploaded for you. This is so gorgeous and amazing ideas, amazing videos. Are you there? More fantastic ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.